Hi there, today I am bringing you another dish that I enjoy a lot, Asian shrimp. Bring out your onions. I am using half an onion here. I'm going to dice this onion so that it's release its sweetness in the sauce. And then set it aside. I'm also using a bundle of green onion to give it a nice green color to contrast in its orange color and white color. And also add some sweetness to it. In a cooking pan or pot, add you a few garlics. I have about 4 cloves here and smash them to release the aroma. I'm going to cook in the same pot. And then add in about 2 pounds of shrimp. I got this shrimp from the coast while I was on a trip, and I've cleaned it and chop off the top, the spiky part. I'm going to leave this with shell on and heads on, but you can pretty much use any shrimp you like. You use the ones that's already peeled and deveined and everything. I'm adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Here I'm flashing you with the salt. Next up is the sugar. We're going to add about 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Dash in your fish sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Shrimp doesn't have a lot of oil, so I also gonna add about a tablespoon of cooking oil. And then give it a quick toss all together to combine. And let it sit on the counter for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's put this babies onto the stove and bring it up on high heat. Occasionally, give it some stirring around. When it starts boiling, kick it around a few times, and then you want to add you about 1 cup of coconut juice. If you don't have coconut juice, water is totally fine. And bring this to a boil. Add your diced onion. And let it go for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I would remove the shrimp because I don't want to cook it any longer. It will be very tough and chewy. I'll let this one simmer for another few more minutes and then add in my green onions right before I take it off. I simmer it down to about 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of sauce. This will be poured over my rice. This is such an easy way to enjoy shrimp. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you like more recipes from me for the future home cooking, you have to smash that subscribe button. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.